So we have an example here. So in equation 1, we have 5x minus y equals to 19. And equation 2, we have 4x plus 3y equals to 57. Okay. So we are still dealing with elimination method. Then we are going to make use of these steps. Okay. The steps right here. That's what we are going to do. So the first step says identify the variable to be eliminated, x or y. So I'm going to eliminate y in this example. Okay. So we are eliminating y. Okay. So the next thing to do, take note of the coefficient of the variable. So we need to take note of the coefficients of the variable. Okay. So we are going to have 5x minus y equals to 19, everything times 3. Okay. Then we are going to have 4x plus 3y equals to 57 times 1. Okay. So let's do that. We are going to have 5x times 3. That is going to give us 15x minus y times 3. That will give us minus 3y equals to 19 times 3. That will give us 57. So for the second equation, 4x times 1, that will give us 4x plus 3y times 1. That will give us plus 3y equals to 57 times 1. That will give us 57. Okay, so we are done with the next step. So we've done this, we've also done this. So the next one is, if the variables have the same operators, you subtract. For instance, positive, positive, we subtract, or negative, negative, we still subtract. Hence, if the variables have different operators, you add. For instance, positive, negative, you add, or negative, positive, you add. So let's go back to our question. Remember from the beginning, we're dealing with y, okay? So you are not really concerned with x, okay? So just come to your y in equation 1, okay? We have minus 3y, so we have negative. Then in equation 2 also, we have what? We have positive. You don't have any business with x, okay? Just look at your y. Okay, so in equation 1, we have negative. Equation 2, we have positive. Okay, so we have negative, positive. Okay, so if the variables have different operators, you add positive, negative. Okay, so we are going to, or negative, positive, which is what we have here. So we are going to add. Okay, so you can just put the addition sign here. Okay, so we have 15x plus 4x. Okay, 15x plus 4x. Then you have minus 3y plus, okay, you don't really need this, plus 3y equals to 57 plus 57. Okay, so 15x plus 4x, that is going to give us 19x. Okay, minus 3y plus 3y, that will give us 0. Okay, and that is the whole essence of elimination. Okay, so that way we have eliminated y. We don't have y anymore in the equation because minus 3y plus 3y will give us 0. So equals to 57 plus 57, that is going to give us 114. Okay, so here you divide both sides by 19, so we have 19x equals to 114. 19, 19. That's x equals to 6. So we got the value of our x. So what we are going to do now is to substitute this value into any of our equations. So I'm going to make it of equation 1. Equation 1 is 5x minus y equals to 19. So we have 5, that is 6, minus y equals to 19. So that is going to give us 30 minus y equals to 19. Then you have minus y equals to minus 30, okay, plus 19. So minus y equals to minus 30 plus 19 give us minus 11. Okay, so that is negative, we cancel out negative. Okay, so 9 is equal to 11. Okay, so we have gotten the value of x and y. Okay, so a quick way to just cross-check if your answer is actually correct. So you can make use of any of the two equations. Let's make use of equation 1. Equation 1 is 5x minus y equals to 19. So you substitute the two values. That's the value of x and y. So it is 5 brackets 6. Remember our x is 6 plus y is what? 11. Sorry. So what if the answers are correct? So we have 30 minus 11. Okay, so this is 19 equals to 19. So the answers are correct. Okay, so if this video has helped you in one way or the other, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me also know what you think in the comment section. Bye.